Hacker! Hacker! You freaking hacker! I think we should retry this. You fucker. You fucking hacker! What the frick? What's fucking hacking? Lens hacking. Lens hacking. Len, what have you done? Is this payback for all the times I said fuck you and damn you and you can go to rotten hell for all I care or something? Do you hate me so much? Do you hate me that much, Len, you freaking... Fucker. This is gonna go on forever. Len, please let me win. This is like the 10th fucking match we've had. God damn you. Len's a freaking hacker, I swear. Len, stop hacking me. I'm almost out of time to record. Finally, you fucker. That's what you get. Oh my god, this is horrible. I'm suffering. I'm freaking suffering, help me. Come on. Yes! That's what you get, you freaking frick! That's what you get, you fucking asshole.